Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into something super exciting, DeepSeek AI. If you have been curious about what DeepSeek is, how it works, and how you can use it for boosting your productivity, creativity, or just have some fun, you are at right place. We are going to learn how to use DeepSeek, what is DeepSeek, and what is the future of this DeepSeek. So to start using this tool, you just need to just go with deepseek.com, or you can go with Google search. Just search DeepSeek on Google. You will get the first link. Click on that. You will start. You will land on this particular home page, and here you have option to use DeepSeek, for personal use, for app development and more things, API kind of action. There are different kind of thing that DeepSeek is providing right now, and I'm going to explain all this thing in coming time. So the current version of DeepSeek is DeepSeek R1, which is now free and open source. It is very good thing coming in the market because there is a limitation of using ChatGPT and many other generative AI tool, but DeepSeek provides some extra thing in almost free resources or having a very minimum cost. So you just need to land to the DeepSeek and click on the start now. You will come on the chat process of this. So first of all, I want to talk about what exactly is DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek is cutting-edge artificial intelligence company focusing on making AGI. AGI stand for Artificial General Intelligence. It is a developed by Chinese company, and it can do anything from answering your question to helping you write a code, generate creative content, and even advanced search engine, powered advanced search engine. So already there is different kind of generative AI tool like ChatGPT and more. But why DeepSeek stand out? Well, it is designed with a strong focus on Chinese language and culture, making it incredible accurate, and it is also very good for getting deep research because the deep think R1 model is based on that. Then you know now we are going to explore how DeepSeek is going to perform. It is quite similar to the chat gpt. Suppose if you want to ask anything, you just need to give a prompt as a input text. Let's suppose I'm taking some example. What is the capital of India? So after having an analysis, it will come with the accurate result. The already other generative AI tool is also working on accuracy, but this is trained on that particular model, so it gives a very good kind of accuracy in terms of result. The next thing is I'm testing some different thing. Write me a poem about the sea. Then you can see it go with deep think r1 model, and it will start making a poem. So it is perfect for brainstorming, learning, or just having a fun conversation. You can see it has created uh, a very good amount of content and in poem form. So it is also very useful in complex kind of thing also. So let me ask a complex kind of question. Explain quantum physics in simple terms. So let's see what result is coming up. So a very good explanation I'm expecting, and definitely it will come with that kind of thing. So Bob, that's a pretty clear explanation. And if you are a developer, DeepSeek also offer API, so you can integrate its API in your own app or project because it is open source. The thing which make DeepSeek in noise is its open source platform. Many of generative AI tool is not going with such level of open source mechanism, but DeepSeek provide everything as open source, so you can use it in your website, you can use it in your app, and different thing. I will definitely come up with more videos in the future how to make use of DeepSeek uh, API in your practices. So lots of new thing is coming on the market, and being into the market for a long time, you need to learn all this thing in your practices. So when you are using DeepSeek, I just want to give you some tips that how you can utilize DeepSeek on some great level. So be specific with your prompt. Your prompt is everything, so be specific on that. Experiment with different tasks. Means if you are using DeepSeek, then try using for writing, for coding, for even learning new language, new concept. So it is also very good thing. The next one is the combine it with other tool, because DeepSeek provides open source API, so you can use it for different tool to make a different tool application app. Explore the APIs of DeepSeek, which is very very essential for all these things. So as you can see, DeepSeek AI is a very powerful versatile tool that changing the way we interact with technology. Whether you are a student, professional, or just who love technology, DeepSeek has something for you. You just need to go with the DeepSeek and go with different kind of queries in the form of prompt, and you will find better result. I have made different videos on other generative AI tool in my previous you will find it on my playlist segment. You can go there and found this important kind of thing. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to give a like, and if you want to get updated knowledge about AI tools and all, then you should go with the subscription of my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you are never going to miss the important video which is being uploaded by me, because I used to make a very informative and very innovative videos on AI digital marketing. So you just need to keep updated. And if you are already tried DeepSeek, let me know in the comment below what do you think about it. And I love to hear more about your thoughts. And if you have any concern regarding DeepSeek, then you can ask me. I will definitely find a solution for you. Thank for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.